Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Wasn't very nice, Dove. Think Heavy's ready for breakfast. And Charlie. You ready too, Tommy? Tommy's got his breakfast. Heavy's enjoying hers. And so is Charlie Cat. Good morning, Felicity. How was your first night in your new house? Good morning, girls. You ready for your breakfast? Molly and Hallie have their pellets, hay, and water. Are you happy I went to the store, girls? Felicity is enjoying her pellets too. Have a good day. Good morning. Good morning, Dawad. Good morning, Nugget. Good morning, Moose. Good morning, Felicia. All right, girls, you need to go ahead and head on out so I can let Honey out. I'm gonna go clean the big coop, and then I'll be back. What are you doing, Charlie Cat? He saw a fly and he was trying to chase it. Let's get the coop clean. Are you two snuggling? Got plenty of other nesting boxes. We got the coop clean. I got their feed filled too. All right, ladies, you ready? This isn't even close to half of you. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Here comes the other half. Come on, girls. Oh, thank you, Luca. That's why the other half's coming. Come on in, ducks. Here comes the last lady. Apparently, Shadow found some poopy bedding that she doesn't want to leave. Luca followed her all the way over to Dwayne. She's gonna try and catch her there. She was uncatchable, but at least now we have her headed back towards the chicken run a little bit. An ornery girl, Shadow. We got her in. Well, Bantams, that was rude of Shadow to make you wait so long, huh? I'm gonna get this cleaned up, then we'll get Honey out. Luca's feeling sorry for Honey and trying to let him out before I get everything clean. Did you turn into a feral bunny now? You don't want held? Or are you just pouting because I made you wait a little while to come out? Luca didn't give him an option. He has to be a pet bunny. Have a good day, honey. I was able to get another bag to put under the bantam roosting bars. So I am gonna try and spray this out with the hose and get it clean so that we have a fresh start for the week. Turns out that task would have probably been much better for something like a power washer than a garden hose. So I might have just made a worse mess. Honey seems to be enjoying getting extra dirty in it though, so that's fun. I'm gonna leave it open for a little bit. Hopefully it'll dry out, and then I'll put everything back together before it gets too hot, since he's super interested in being in here. When Lennox sees how dirty you are, she's gonna be so mad at me. Can you go get dried off? Emptying the trough is my next task this morning. Launa's trying to catch the goldfish for me. We got him caught. We had to end up using the net to get him, but he's safe, so now we can finish the trough. We got it emptied and scrubbed out. Now we'll get it filled back up. Launa caught the goldfish. Now it's ready to go. Launa made some special treats for the bunnies yesterday. What's in them?
Lettuce, carrots, banana, and 1 cherry.
All right, we're gonna see if they like them.
It's a little cold. Yeah, it's kind of cold.
They're frozen, so they'll be good when it's warm. It actually hasn't heated up in this barn yet, so.
She's eating it, it's just not big bites.
Yeah.
Because it's cold.
Is that a yummy treat, Molly?
They're so good. Oh, it dropped. It's right there.
One lady puts. Oh,
What do you think, Hallie? Is that yummy?
It's just cold, so I think that's why they're taking little bites. It goes on so fast. They're so good. So weird. They're melting fast.
Yeah.
So that it's a little mushy.
I'll taste your fingers.
Look, it's right here.
And then Luca brought out their daily little snack of lettuce that she likes to give them.
Very curious.
Charlie, are you distracting everyone from their treats? Hallie is enjoying hers. She doesn't care about Charlie. There you go, Molly. That yummy? Want that treat, Felicity? Are you doing some dust bathing?
I did notice that there's like that rock bag is all scratched.
You found honey laying in the mud. Ready for your treat? While I'm out here, I'm gonna get the bantam coop put back together and closed up, and then I'll turn on the soaker hoses for all the chickens. The coop's almost all dry, so I got everything moved back in. I dumped everything out of Honey's hutch, and I'll bring fresh litter in for him at bedtime. I got the soaker hoses turned on. I got the hoses turned on for these girls too. Stay cool, ladies. Sounds like rain's about to come. Thunder's happening, so we're gonna get this coop open so Honey doesn't have to sit in the rain. From being shut up, the coop is just entirely too hot, so I have the doors all the way open. I put Honey's fan on, so hopefully if it rains, they'll go in there. If not, at least hopefully it'll be cooling down, and I don't know, hopefully they'll get out of the rain. One of the things we had to do today was get new litter for the girls, so Luca's getting it for Molly and Hallie. Launa's getting it for Felicity. And Lennox already did it for Honey. These girls don't seem to be bothered by the thunder that's happening right now. Bridget, stop. You about ready to get a free bath? Harlow, are you hoping it pours down so you get all wet and cooled off? Ember, are you hoping it rains or that it passes by? Do you think the rain will keep those flies from buzzing around you, Atlee? What about you, Dove? Are you ready for the rain? These kitties are preparing for the rain up here on the porch. I'm not giving out any dinner yet. Abby came running too. It's not dinner time. Okay, sorry. Stay up here and stay dry though. The rain came. Hopefully they're all in. I can see Nugget and Moose are not. And obviously the ducks are still out. And one lone Americana. Just as I figured, the cows could care less that it's raining. Alright, we're giving the cats their dinner. Tommy's eating his. They always come running. Like me coming to collect eggs at night isn't a routine. I'm not bringing anything, girls. Did any of you lay any eggs for me? Hey, ducks. Let's collect these eggs and these ones. These ones too. And what do you have under you, little lady? You've got a lot under you today. Even got some hidden clear back here. Thank you. We'll collect these too. And even 2 dozen from the big coop today. It's starting to rain again, so I'm gonna give these girls their bedtime treats before I close up the barn. Look at Molly. Have a good night. Good night, Hallie. Felicity, do you want a bedtime treat? There you go. Have a good night. Are you about ready for bed, my little bantams? You guys are ready for bed. Making your way up, Felicia. Sleep tight. Honey's already put himself to bed. You want a bedtime treat, buddy? There you go. Have a good night. Hey, little lady, it looks like you didn't go in when it rained. I'm sorry. Let's get you in now. We got her in. Hopefully she'll get all dried off in the fan. See you in the morning, lady. Tommy's all done eating, so I've opened the cage for him. Be nice. Have a good day. He is thickening up a little bit. Not near as fast as I wish he would, though. You girls don't look too bad after being out in the rain. Are you ready for bed, though? I'm gonna go get your stall ready. Dove just broke in. Come on out, Bridget. Good job. Oh, no, Bridget. Oh, golly. Head on out. You don't have any food in there. Your food's back there. If you girls would have waited, we would have been prepared for you. Good job, Bridget. You're in there. Good girl. You ready for bed, Dwayne? Have a good night, buddy. Atlee, are you really annoyed about not getting second dinner tonight? You've got your dinner all over your mask. Do you want to get your mask off? Does that feel good, Atlee? Yeah? Hey, Bridget. Are you enjoying your dinner? Bridget, do you want to get your fly mask off? Does that feel better? Are you ready to get your mask off, Dove? Does that feel better? Fluff you up? Got you all wet. Harlow, are you ready to get your mask off? Does that feel better? Ember, are you ready to get yours off? Does that feel better? Atlee just got her thing unlatched. I wasn't ready for you yet. Nice try. All right. Good night, Atlee. We'll get her lock on. Good night, Bridget. That's not very nice. We'll definitely get her lock on. Good night, Dove. Good night, Ember. Good night, Harlow. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.